Ever feel like you're trading your time for dollars? School, homework, a job that pays minimum wage? What if your money could work for you? This is about building passive income streams, not get-rich-quick schemes, but real, buildable assets that can lead to financial freedom. Stick around, because we're diving into 15 legit ideas you can actually start. But first, a reality check. Passive doesn't mean no work. It means you do the work up front to build a system that generates money later on, with minimal ongoing effort. Your goal is to build multiple streams like this. It's not easy, but it's how you break the time for money trap. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, print on demand. Design cool t-shirts, phone cases, or posters. You handle the creativity, a company handles the printing and shipping. You just collect the profit. Number 2, create a digital product. Write an ebook, make a guide, or design presets for Photoshop. You create it once and sell it forever. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Talk about products you love online. You get a special link, and if someone buys through it, you get a commission. It's like being a digital car salesman. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Yeah, like this one. Make content around your passion. Once you get views, you get ad revenue. The ultimate passion project. Number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest back. It's like being the bank. Number 6, build a niche website. Create a blog about something you know everything about, like skateboarding, gaming, or sneakers. Make money from ads and affiliate links. Number 7, stock photography and video. Got a good phone camera? Sell your photos and video clips online. Every time a company uses one, you get paid. Number 8, create an online course. Are you an expert at algebra, Fortnite, or playing guitar? Package that knowledge into a video course and sell it. Number 9, high-yield savings accounts and CDs. This is the simplest one. Park your cash in a savings account that pays much higher interest than a normal bank. It's boring, but it's safe and automatic. Number 10, dividend investing. Use a platform to buy shares of companies that pay their shareholders a piece of their profit regularly. You make money while you own the stock. Number 11, license your music or art. If you're a musician or artist, you can license your work for use in videos, games, and commercials. Number 12, develop a mobile app or game. Have a killer app idea? Learn to code or partner with a developer. Once it's on the App Store, it can generate sales and ad revenue 24/7. Number 13, automated dropshipping store. This is more advanced. You set up online store that automatically fulfills orders from a supplier. The key is automation. Number 14, royalties from intellectual property. Write a book, invent a product, or create a character. If it gets popular, you earn royalties every time it's sold or licensed. And number 15, rent out your stuff. Got a camera, a powerful gaming console, or even a parking space? Rent it out on platforms when you're not using it. So which one is for you? The best choice combines something you're interested in with the skills you have right now. Don't try to do all 15. Pick one. Do the research. Start small. The goal is to take action today. Building real wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. But every massive empire started with a single step. Which idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you got value from this, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe for more videos on building your future. This is Jake from the Young Founders Club. Now go out there and build something amazing. See you in the next video.